table, now!
Dad, what is happening? Hold on! Don't let go! It won't stop.
Stay down! I've got you!
Daddy, I'm so scared. Good morning, everyone. Mom, I'm hungry. Tom, stop taking my juice. I just want a little.
Breakfast is ready, kids.
It smells good, Mom.
Is breakfast ready?
Yes, come down.
Good morning, little ones.
Dad.
Sit with me! What are we doing today?
Maybe the park this afternoon.
Can we feed ducks? Yes, the ducks, please, Dad.
Okay, we'll go to the park.
Yes! Thank you, Dad!
Lily, help me with the dishes.
Okay, Mom. I can help. Dad, can we play blocks?
Yes.
Let's build something big.
Let's build a tall tower.
Higher, even higher, Dad.
Careful now.
It's going to fall. Oh no, it fell.
Ha! Let's build it again!
Those two are so loud.
They always play like that. I'll get dressed for the park.
Good girl, Lily. It's a beautiful day outside.
Perfect day for the park.
Can I bring my ball?
Yes, go get your ball.
I'll make lunch for the park.
Great, I love your sandwiches.
Peanut butter for Tom and cheese for Lily.
Almost ready? Let's go soon.
I'm ready, Dad.
Wait, I forgot the water bottles.
I'll get them.
Did you feel that?
Feel what? I think I feel it now.
The floor is shaking.
Lily, the floor is moving. What is happening?
This is an earthquake.
Oh no, the kids!
Lily, hey, Tom, come here.
Children, run to us!
Mom, I'm scared. The shaking lava.
Everyone stay together.
I'm so scared.
We need to get under the table. Now, move, table.
Hold my hand, Lily!
Mom, keep me.
I'm trying!
Tom, crawl under, go.
I can't. I'm shaking. Tom, come under here. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hold the table legs. Hold on tight. I've got you both.
I've got you.
Let's stop. Let's stop. I want it to stop right now.
I'm here. Don't look up. I know, I'm scared too.
It's getting stronger. Hold on.
I'm holding. We're okay.
Dad, are we going to be okay?
Yes, we will be okay. We stay under here. All of us.
Dad, please stay. Mom, my hands are shaking.
That's okay, mine are too.
I dropped my ball that won.
We'll get to get it later. That's okay.
Hold my hand, Tom. Okay, I'm holding it.
How long does an earthquake last?
Not long. We wait. We stay.
I want to go to my room.
No, Lily. Stay here. It's safer.
But my stuff is up there.
Bear is safe. You stay with us.
Dad, is our house gonna fall down?
No.
I hear a loud sound outside.
I hear it too. It's okay.
Mom, are other families okay?
I hope so, sweetheart.
Listen, is it getting softer?
Maybe a little.
Is it stopping?
Not yet. Stay still, buddy.
It's shaking again!
Hold on! This is normal! Hold on!
I can see the ducks. Me too. The big white one.
Close your eyes. Think of the park.
The park with the ducks? Yes, the ducks. Think of them.
You're doing great, Annie.
We're doing this together.
I'm not going to cry.
It's okay if you do, Tom.
Dad, are you scared?
A little. But I feel better with you all here.
We should pray.
Yes. Let's pray together.
Listen. Listen, listen, everyone.
It's what's getting.
Is it stopping? Really stopping?
I think so. Stay still.
I'm not moving until Dad says.
Good boy, Tom. Good boy.
Mom, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Dad, I love you too.
I love you, Tom. More than anything. It's slowing down now.
Yes, I think so too.
Is it over?
I think it's over.
It stopped. It really stopped.
Yes, my darling, it stopped.
I didn't cry.
You were very brave. Are you hurt anywhere, Annie?
No, I'm okay.
Lily, are you hurt?
No, Mom, I'm okay.
Me too. I'm okay.
2 minutes is long. 2 minutes will keep us safe.
Okay. Let's come out now. Slowly. Watch your step. The bookshelf fell over.
The TV. Is it okay?
My ball! It's over there!
Wait, Tom. Let me check first. It's safe. Here you go.
Thanks, Dad. It's okay.
The kitchen is a mess.
But the walls are good.
We can clean this.
Yes, we can clean all of this. I need to call for help.
Yes. Call your parents first.
Dad? Are you okay? Yes, we're safe.
I'm calling my sister.
Is Aunt Sarah okay?
You're okay. Thank goodness.
She's okay?
I'll check outside now.
Be careful, please.
The path has a small crack, but the house looks okay outside.
Watson family, are you all safe?
Yes, we're all okay.
Can I help clean up? Yes. You can pick up the books. I'll help with the small pieces.
Carefully, Lily. No broken glass. I'll clean the flour.
I'll fix the shelf first.
I put all the books back.
Good job, Tom. Really good job.
I fixed the cushions too.
I checked all the rooms.
And everything is okay?
Some cracks in walls upstairs. But the house is safe. Come here, everyone. Come sit.
All together on the sofa?
All together.
Yes. That was the most scary thing ever.
Yes, it was very scary.
But we're okay. Mom, I was so scared under the table.
So was I. It's okay to be scared.
Dad, you never let go of the table.
I had to protect you all.
Tom, you held my hand the whole time. Because you're my sister.
I'll make some tea.
Yes. Tea sounds good right now.
Hot chocolate for the kids.
Hot?
We made it through.
Together. The sun is still shining outside.
Yes, the sun always comes back.
Can we still go to the park?
Maybe tomorrow, buddy.
Tomorrow!
Can I teach you something important?
Like what, Dad?
What to do in an earthquake. When the earth shakes, get down low. Find a strong table. Hold on.
Like we did today. Stay away from windows.
Yes, you remembered.
Mom, I learned something too.
What did you learn, Lily? Being scared is okay. We're still brave.
Today was hard, and today was brave.
We stayed together. That's everything.
I love our family.
Me too.
Good morning, everyone.
The sun is so bright today.
Yesterday was scary. Today is a new day.
And we face every day together.